Hey everybody, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cure your character of vampirism in Skyrim. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you don't have vampirism yet, but you do have the sanguinare vampiris disease, you can either cure it through normal disease curing means, such as praying at a shrine of the divines, and if you do, you'll gain a blessing and be cured. So that is one way. However, if you already have the vampirism status effect, the only way to get well, there are two ways to get rid of it. One is completing the companion's quest line and becoming a werewolf. That will completely cure you of vampirism, and it will disable you from becoming a vampire unless you do the Dawnguard DLC, but that's a completely different topic. And the other way is to actually find Falion. Once you're actually a vampire, if you ask a innkeeper if they have any news or any news, pretty much information, they will tell you that there is a guy in Morthal who is curing vampirism. This is that guy. You will get a quest marker and you will have to go to him. And once you go to him, talk to him, and he will tell you the process behind actually curing yourself of vampirism. You will need a filled black soul gem, which means you have to find a black soul gem, an empty one, and afterwards fill it with a black soul. That is pretty much the souls of humanoids and some other creatures such as Dremora. But yeah, just fill that soul gem with a human soul and bring it to him, and then you will be able to do the ritual, I think at dawn, near Morthal. And once you do that ritual, just talk to him again, and you will be cured. If he dies before completing the ritual, the only way you can do that is either console commands or actually becoming a werewolf. So keep that in mind. But that would be it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.